Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to fix Selenium Chrome WebDriver error, easy method. Restart Chrome driver matching Chrome version and update your WebDriver path immediately. Then verify your Selenium code points to the correct driver executable path. If you see session or handshake errors, check Chrome options and disable incompatible flags. Finally, run a simple driver. Get about blank test to confirm the browser launches and responds. Start by confirming Chrome and Chrome driver versions on your machine using version commands or browser settings, and update whichever is behind. Check your path environment variable to ensure the Chrome driver binary is reachable from your test environment. Consider using a WebDriver Manager library to reduce manual steps and avoid future mismatches. Also update Selenium packages to the latest stable release to maintain compatibility and reduce obscure errors. Walk through downloading the exact Chrome driver for your browser build and placing it in a consistent folder like /usr/local/bin or C/drivers. Grant executable permissions on Mac OS or Linux, then update path so tests can find Chrome driver without hard-coded paths. Alternatively, integrate a WebDriver manager into your project to automatically fetch and manage correct drivers. Finally, run a minimal Selenium script to confirm the browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.